हाय, वेलकम टू माय चैनल मैथ्स मेड इजी, जिसमें हम मैथ्स को इजी बनाते हैं। टुडे वी विल सी सम ऑफ फर्स्ट एन टर्म्स ऑफ एन एपी. We know the definition of arithmetic progression is in the given sequence if the difference between two consecutive terms, that is tn plus 1 minus tn, is constant, then the sequence is called arithmetic progression. The first term of AP, arithmetic progression, in short is written as AP. The first term of an AP is denoted by A, and common difference is denoted by D. Nth term is written as Tn, and sum of the first n terms is written as first n terms will written as Sn. Therefore, S1 is equal to T1. S2 means sum of first two terms, and it is T1 plus T2. S3 sum of first three terms, so it is T1 plus T2 plus T3. S4 is equal to T1 plus T2 plus T3 plus T4, and therefore Sn is equal to T1 plus T2 plus T3 plus last term होगा Tn. Here n will be, if we are taking sum of first 10 terms, then it is the 10th term. If we are taking sum of first 100 terms, then Tn will be T100. And if we are taking sum of first 15 terms, then Tn will be T15. From this, we can also write T1 is equal to S1. T1 is equal to S1. T2 is equal to S2 minus S1. T2 is equal to S2 minus S1. T3 is equal to S3 minus S2, and therefore Tn is equal to Sn minus Sn minus 1. Formula for Sn is equal to n by 2 into, in bracket, 2a plus n minus 1 into d, and we will get one more formula from this by writing 2a as a plus a. So we will write Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a के लिए हम लिखते हैं a plus a plus n minus 1 into d. So n by 2, a means first term of AP. It is written as T1, and a plus n minus 1 into d is formula for Tn. Therefore, one more formula we get from this. Sn is equal to n by 2 into T1 plus Tn. Here T1 is first term of AP and Tn is last term. If we are taking S10, then it will be T10, and if we are taking S20, then it will be T20.